So we have completed last class HR junior specialist role, and we restricted the some duties from this role and assigned to the Muzammil and Abhishek. Now same thing we have used copy role option. We have used copy role option. We have used copy role option to restrict the some duties for this junior specialist role and assign to this user. And now what we will do, the requirement is HR specialist and analyst role we have to create, and this we have to assign to Kumar and Bharat. For HR specialist and analyst, we have to combine this role and we have to combine this role. And in this role we have 10 duties, in this role we have 8 duties. But client expectation is from this 18, we have to add only 15 here. And that this assigned to this one. So there is a concept called create role. First, step one. Who is the implementation user for this whole task? You remember or not?
Sujan, I guess.
Sujan.
Step one. No. Step two. Step one, what you can do? Log in with implementation vision dot. Second step, create two users, Kumar and Bharat. Create two users, Kumar and Bharat. Log in with implementation user as Sujan.user. Create two users, Kumar and Bharat. Let me do this one. Go to the security console. Users. Add an account. Kumar.user. Kumar already there. Kumar already there. Kumar already there. Yeah. In the Kumar, okay, so Kumar user already there. I am not going to create the Kumar user. Bharat user also there already, I think. Bharat user also already there. But you remove this one. You remove this one. Save one. So we have all the users ready. Suman.user is ready, and Kumar.user also ready, and Bharat.user also ready. So if you want, you can create the new users and do the practice guys. I am using the Kumar.user and Bharat.user existing users only. So implementation user already we have created in the last class, 5-day class. This is the step 2. Now step 3. Login with implementation user. 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 User. My client group. Sorry. Tools. Security console. Users. Add user account. Go to the roles. Not users list. Go to the roles. Create role. Go to the roles. Create role. Create role. Role name. Role name. Role name. Let me note down the step. Create the job role. What is the job role name? Human HR specialist or analyst. Create the job role HR specialist and analyst. Create the job role HR specialist and analyst. So while you do this, create the job role HR specialist and analyst. Create the job role HR specialist and analyst. We have to map two job roles. Okay. So first step you are cleared. Second step you are cleared. Create the job role. We have to map two job roles. Human resource analyst. Human resource analyst and human resource analyst and human resource specialist. Human resource specialist. So how to create the job role, guys? In create role option. So this is the 3 steps, guys. Any question you can feel free to ask me. Role name, HR analyst and specialist. HR specialist and analyst. Role code. So I'm creating the new role, HR specialist and analyst. Role code this one. Role category.
Vamshi, this is the custom role, right? Then it is better to start with XX or something else.
Yeah. Sorry. So custom roles always start with XX or some company name they will give. So that we need to add here like this. Role name. Any question you can ask me, guys. Role name. Role code. This is the role code. Role code. Role category. Role category. HCM job roles. Role name, role code, role category.
If you are taking SCM means we need to take SCM job roles.
Yeah,
Role
correct.
category.
Yes. So for example, if it is finance means you have to mention the finance here.
Okay.
Okay. So here functional security policies here, right? In the functional security policies, here only we have to combine the two roles. Here only we have to combine the two job roles. So this is the basic information. This is the basic information section. And next section is functional security policies section. Functional security policy section. Functional security policy section. So in the functional security policy section, there is a add functional security policy. Add functional security policy. Add functional security policies. Add functional security policy section. Add functional security policy section. You have to combine roles here. Resource. Human resource specialist. Human resource specialist. Add selected privileges. Human resource selected. Human resource specialist. Add selected privileges. Human resource. Search the functional security policies here. This window will be open and search here. This will come. Add selected privileges. The list of options will be added here. See. Understand, right? So if you want to know the count of how many duties are there, you want to know the count of how many duties are there for this human resource specialist. So for that, you can go to the next summary. You will see 144. When you add the human resource specialist, you will see how many guys? Add the human resource. Human resource specialist. 144. Now go back. Go back. Add functional security policies. And then you can mention here human resource. Human resource. Analyst. So click on next. You will see the count will be increased. 171K. That means 24 and 25. Sorry, 26 and 27 will be there. 27. Human resource. Analyst. Human resource specialist 144, human resource analyst 27. Understand or not? So total, how many there? 171.
171.
So client will say, go back. So from the 171, they want to remove something about approved transaction, something new. Whatever the client will give the names, you can remove from here. Whatever the client will give names which they don't want, then we will remove from here. Understand, right? How to remove? Just select this one. Whatever you don't want. Whatever you don't want, you can remove from here. So this which one you have to remove, that will let you know by client. So whatever the things which you don't want to display for the custom job role, you can remove from here. Okay. So we have removed around 4 or 5 jobs, sorry, 4 or 5 duties from here. Understand or not?
Yes.
Okay. Removed some duties. Remove some duties. From the where functional security policies.
Vamshi, is that duties or is that privileges?
Huh?
Is
So
that
it's a combination. Both will be there.
uh,
Combination. Okay. Na? Now, when you click the next button, the permission groups not required. So data security policies are there, right? So there is a data security policies section in there. There is a data security policies section. So data security policies section here. So in the data security policies section, data security policies section, data security policies section, uh, data security policy section by default it is empty. Just leave it as, just keep that is empty.
Vamshi, you told that when we do this create role, you will say that about data security policies.
Yeah. Now I am wantedly keeping empty here. What
Okay.
will be the impact on that? That I will tell you. So what will be the impact on that? So now when we go for the like when we discussed copy role option, that time the data security policies are filled right here. Some policies came here, but when we go for the create role, the policies did not came here. You observe, right? Hello.
yeah. Okay.
So that is the reason I will tell you like what is the purpose of data security policies. For now, I am just keeping this as empty. Data security policy section. Okay. Now click on next. Role hierarchy also. Role hierarchy also. Role hierarchy also by default empty. Just keep this also empty. Understand or not?
Yeah.
Right. Click on next. So role hierarchy and data security policies we kept empty, or by default it was empty. So you consider both. So that means data security policy section it was empty. Role hierarchy also it was empty. Okay. So when these two are empty, what will be the impact on that? What will be the impact on the application level? Okay. So when these two are empty, what will be the impact on the application level? So users go to the next. So 167 is there. So previously 171 was there. In the functional security policy section, I have removed some duties or privileges under the functional security policy section, whichever the client doesn't want for the HR specialist or analyst role. Save and close. Save and close. Any question, feel free to ask me, guys. Save and close. Hmm? So the role has been created. The role changes were saved. So if you want to verify that role, whether that role is working or not, so what you will do? So
Search the role name.
attach the role to this users. Which role we need to attach?
Specialist analyst.
XX HR specialist.
Customer.
Attach the role to below users. So how to attach this? Users
Users.
Kumar dot users. Edit. Add role. Like this. Add this role to this user. Save and close. Same way you can do for edit, add role. Save and close. Save and close.
It is not in active state, I think. So Bharat is in locked state.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So reset the password. So till here, any questions, guys?
No.
Very good, Ashit. Next, like how to verify this row, whatever the job role we have attached to this users, right?
Log in with employee.
Log in with
Log in with
Kumar.user.
Sorry. Kumar.user and verify the changes. Log in with Kumar.user and verify the changes. Sign out from the Sujan.user. Why? Because Sujan is the implementation user. Sujan is the implementation user. Kumar.user. So if you look at this one, my client group, not coming here. My client group, those options not coming, right? We added the job role, right? Sign out and sign in. It's not coming. Try in another browser. Huh? Try in another browser. Try in another browser. My client group. See, it is coming, right? Hello. So that is a browser issue, huh? That is browser issue, guys. That is the browser issue in the Chrome. So now if you look at the Microsoft Edge, you have a person management option. Person management option. Go to person management option. So did you observe, guys? What is your observation? When I open the person management option, nothing is coming, right?
Yes.
The screen become empty. The screen is empty. The screen is empty. So you remember, guys, I told you, right, while you create the custom job role, okay, while you create the custom job role using create role function, so we have filled the functional security policies, and we have removed some duties from functional security policies based on the requirement, and data security policies section and role hierarchy section by default it was empty, and we also kept the empty. We have not added anything here. Data security policy section, role hierarchy section, we have kept the empty.
Yes.
So because of role hierarchy section is empty, this is not coming. So because of the role hierarchy section is empty, so you are not able to see the screen content. Because of role hierarchy section is empty, we are not seeing page content. Because of the role hierarchy section is empty, we are not seeing the page content. So what is mean by page content? What is mean by page content? Fields, buttons, links,
duties,
get layout, fields, buttons, links, layouts, etc. are the page content. So first of all, what is mean by page content? I will show you in other user, so that you will get the clarity. EA dot FA dot EUTH. Go to the main user. Go to the FA dot EUTH user. Go to the FA dot EUTH user. My client group, person management. So here it is coming, right? This is called page content. Name, field. This is called field. Name is field. Person number is field. National ID is the field. Keyword is field. These buttons are the fields. So this is the table. This table is the layout. This is the hyperlink. These are hyperlinks. These are hyperlink. So this is called page content or structure of the page. Page content or structure of the page. Page content or structure of the page. Fields, buttons, links, layout, etc. are the structure of the page. So this section is not coming, right? So when we attach this role, HR specialist and analyst role to the Kumar.user. So we are not seeing the page content. Because while you create the custom job role hierarchy section was empty. Role hierarchy section was empty. Because of this reason, we are not seeing the page content or structure of the page. Because of this reason, role hierarchy section, because of this reason, we are not seeing the page content or structure of the page. So once again, I'll tell you this. So because of the role hierarchy section is empty, we are not seeing the page content or structure of the page. So how to fix this issue? Just tell me. Anyone can tell.
Edit the role and add that data, role hierarchy and.
Nityashree, I'm requesting you,
Oh, sorry,
please
Kumar.
change your name.
We have to fill the hierarchy options only.
How to fill that?
I mean, we have to create that role.
How to create?
Edit.
Okay. So I will tell you the answer, guys. So what you have to do? What you have to do is, guys, not only Nityashree, guys, I'm telling you, there are many people put the name different. Someone put both BA something. They put your name, guys, so that it easily understand, right? Someone put the GV. Someone put the NC1. Change your names. Change your names, guys. Okay. Change your names in the June, those who are joined in the meeting. Okay. So what you have to do is, for this issue, step 1. So when you add the standard job role, that contains everything, right? Role hierarchy and data security policies, everything is there, right? So when you add the standard job role, you are able to see the content, right? Am I correct or not? When you add the standard job role, you are able to see the content, right? No.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So now step 1, solution. Step 1. Navigate to standard job role. Navigate to standard job role. Human resource specialist. Navigate to standard job role, human resource specialist. Navigate to standard job role, human resource specialist. Okay. Navigate to standard job role, human resource specialist. Log in with the Sujan.user. Navigate to standard job role. So go to the tools, security console. Tools, security console.
Roles.
List. Navigate to standard job role, human resource specialist. Navigate to standard job role, human resource specialist. Edit role. Click on next. So go to the role hierarchy section. Go to the role hierarchy section of the standard job role. So this is the standard job role. Go to the role hierarchy section. Go to the standard job role, edit role hierarchy section. Here you can search the name as person management. Search the name as person management. So under the role hierarchy section, search the name as person management, because the person management page content is not coming, right? So what you will do, take the role codes. Take the role code. You're following, right?
Yes, yes.
So this is the step one. Under role hierarchy section, copy the below information. Under the role hierarchy section, copy the below information. Navigate to standard job role. Under the role hierarchy section, copy the below information. Step 2. Okay. Copy the below information. Step 2. Navigate to the custom job role. Navigate to the custom job role. Under role hierarchy section. Paste the below information. Navigate to custom job role. Under role hierarchy section, paste the below information. Okay, now? So search the HR specialist analyst. HR specialist analyst. Edit role. Data security policies. Role hierarchy section. And under the custom job role hierarchy section. Under the custom job role hierarchy section. So what you will do is add role option. Whatever the roles we have copied, right? No. Person management related, whatever the roles you have copied, right? That you have to paste here. You're following or not, guys?
Yes.
Like this. Under the role hierarchy section, whatever you have copied, that you have to paste in the role hierarchy section by using add role option.
Why did you copy both? Because one was role name and one was role code, right?
Yeah, because there are, see, for example, in one page means multiple fields will be there. Each field have some different duties will be there. For example, first section we have duty, some fields, right? Second section we have layout. So that whatever the person management related information that you have to copy from there and paste here. Different sections I can say. This one next. Save on. Under the role hierarchy section, person management related information I added in the custom job role. Save on. Okay. So now what I will do? Log out.
Someone is in topic, please mute, please.
Huh?
Some topic sound is coming. Can you please say people somewhere in topic and they are in unmute?
I didn't understand what you are saying.
Some topic sound is coming also somewhere and I mean unmute.
Okay. Sign out from the Sojan.user. Kumar.user. My client group, person management. Coming or not? No.
Yes, yes.
Like that. Step 1 and step. Any question you can ask me, guys. So see, the thing is why I am explaining this step by step is normally in the real time, whatever the standard job role having the role hierarchy section, completely you can copy and export into here. But why I'm doing one by one means because you have to understand that what is the impact of the role hierarchy. If there is no role hierarchy, that means if the role hierarchy section is empty, so what is the impact on the application level? For that purpose only, first I have by default it was empty. So yeah, same I have continued. Then after that I log into Kumar.user. So we found that page content is missing. Structure of the page is missing. So then what I have done, navigate to standard job role, search the person management related, copy and paste into custom job role under role hierarchy section. Now after that I logged into Kumar.user. So we are able to see the structure of the or content of the page. Nice. Log into Kumar.user. And verify person management content coming. Log into Kumar.user, verify the person management content coming or not.
Vamshi,
Yeah,
person management is a duty, right?
person management is the duty, correct?
Duty. But when we were copying that, it was showing as role, right? Role name.
See, that it is showing role name only, but it is duty only.
Okay.
Sorry for interruption, Vamshi bro. So you have added like 166 plus duties while creating the custom role. But you again you just add that person management role in that data or something, right? To show so we can see that information in that screen. We are not able to see that information before in that screen. And you again log out and log in with a Susan user, and you add that role in the data modified, use something modified. But what about the 166?
No, yeah, you have to do one by one. See, for example, if you go to the my client group, you go to other screens also. If you go to new person, here also it is not coming, right?
Okay.
So for new person related information, you have to search there in the role hierarchy, and again you have to copy paste one by one.
So it will take so much time, I think so.
Means we need to go to the HR specialist and we need to search that.
Correct. We need to go
and
to HR.
We need to copy that code also, right?
It will take time only, but we have to do properly, right? It will take 2 to 3 hours time only, not much time. Go one by one. For example, if you go to talent pools, go one by one. Go one by one and search the role hierarchy level and paste here. See, nothing is coming right here also.
Okay, now based on the requirement, we will add the same roles.
Yeah, based on the requirement only. Based on the requirement only. See, Mujamil, you are asking good question only. But what you do in the real time, complete whatever the role hierarchy have complete information, you can copy paste from the standard to custom. Okay, so from the standard to custom, you can completely copy paste. So here, why I am telling this thing is So if I copy paste, you will not understand, right? What is the impact on that?
Okay.
So when I put the empty, then only you will know, right?
Okay,
where the
you're
impact
telling
on.
that you should have to copy standard role to custom role.
Under the role
everything.
hierarchy section, yeah.
So no need to add one by one.
No need to add one by one. No need to add one by
It
one.
will save the time, right?
It will save the time.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
Any other question, guys? So now we have discussed about the role hierarchy section empty, right? Okay. So now you are able to see the screen, right? If you see, now you are able to see the screen. When I press the percentage, data will come or not, guys? Tell me.
No.
Welcome.
No.
Confident, huh?
It will come.
No, it won't
No.
come.
No.
We added the roles.
We did not
added the
add
duties.
the data security policies, right?
Data security policies, okay. So click on search.
Manage all
Data.
data. We
See.
need to select the manage all data.
We need to go for manage data role section to add the data.
Yes.
So Arshid, why you are telling data security policies?
We thought that one only should pending, right?
That was pending.
Correct. But yeah, that is the all link is there. That I will tell you in tomorrow class. So with that, security will be completed on tomorrow class.
Vamshi, one more thing. Now we are adding one by one roles, right? For the person management, what are the roles we copied and pasted, and for the new person, how to do it? How to do it? All the roles at a time, means how to copy it and paste it at a time.
There is a export option will be there. We will try now.
Okay.
Rules. Security console. Human resource specialist. Human resource specialist. Edit. Role hierarchy section. Export Excel.
Okay.
Kumar.
Right. Yes.
So when I press the export Excel, the complete data of this one should move to here.
So there we have the import option. Here export, then we have the import option also.
Import might not be there. We need to copy paste only.
Okay, total. Okay.
See?
This total codes we need to copy it and paste
Total
it.
code we need to copy paste. Because there is no import option for sure. So there is no import option right here.
Okay. I think while creating that might be there. Could you please check that once? I think.
Okay, I will check. Okay. 6. Is not there. Oracle is changing the rules. Oracle is changing the options every time, right? Edit role. Click on next. Role hierarchy section. Here also export Excel is there.
Okay. So one by one we need to copy and paste it now.
No, that is the only option. It is taking half an hour time. It's just a copy paste, right?
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Take care. Tomorrow I will continue. Okay.
Thank you.